Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. I wanted to thank Qaideen today on this day of Eid, and Eid Mubarak to all of you. But I also wanted to thank you for the months worth of sacrifice, effort that you and your Khuddam put in supporting all of the Jamaat's activities. And I understand and recognize it's a lot of hard work. It's so many hours and a lot of sometimes unthanked work that you guys did, vacuuming when no one was there to see you guys, wiping down the bathrooms, cleaning the kitchen, cleaning the bathroom counters, all of these things that you guys do, providing security. It's often unthanked, but you don't do it for thanks. You do it for Allah's sake. You don't do it for my sake. And it's because of that pure intention that you do it for Allah's sake that this day on Eid we experienced a profound and such an honest love for one another. And it was very apparent to me on Brotherhood and on all the Telegram groups that we have across the country that I am a part of, that it is such a pure thing, such a powerful connection bond we have in Allah's name for each other, that there is nothing like that in the entire world. Nobody has, no organization in the world has this type of bond with one another. So alhamdulillah for that, and alhamdulillah for you and for all the hard work that you and your Khuddam did in supporting all of our Jamaat work. Eid Mubarak to all of you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.